2015 has just begun, and for the new year, I have the top 5 Android apps that I would recommend to every Android user. So, this is Saurabh Nahar here from All About Technologies. Let's start. A lot of people face storage issues, and in that case, all in one toolbox will search for all the junk and cache files from your phone, and you can delete them to free up some storage. And also, it will enhance your phone performance. You can also click on RAM to free up some RAM quickly to boost your phone performance. You not only have these features, but you also have some other tools like System App Uninstall to uninstall the bloatware or apps which were pre-installed in your phone. Moving ahead, you also have App to SD to move your apps to SD card in case you have SD card installed in your phone. And also you have the File Manager to manage all the files. So I hope you understood what I did, and you also get phone call notification and also the message notification when you receive the phone call or message on your phone. And you can even reply to the messages from your computer. Also, you need internet connection on both of your devices and the push bullet extension on your Chrome browser, and from your Chrome extension you can also push files, notes, links, etc. to your phone, and also you can directly send messages to people from the Chrome extension. Also, from your mobile app, you can send links, files, and photos to your computer, and you can also change the notification settings by disabling all the notification and then selecting those apps from which you want the notifications on your computer to be shown. So, this is my most favorite app, and do download it and explore the app for more features. A lot of people these days like to use phones that have the screen size of more than 5 inch, and it is slightly difficult to pull down the notification panel every time to see the notification and to use the toggles with single hand. With Lazy Swipe, you can access all your favorite apps or recent apps, and as well as your toggles from the bottom of the screen. You can also change the trigger area in case you don't want the trigger area to be the bottom of the screen. So you can change it by going into the settings. Flesky keyboard is one of the world's fastest keyboard, and with Flesky keyboard you can change the color of the keyboard with lot of options available, and you can also add extensions to your keyboard like I have added the GIF, the numbers row, and also the rainbow pops. So when you have added these extensions, when you open the keyboard you will see the numbers row, and you will also see the GIF section near to the emoji section, and you will also see the rainbow effect when you type on the keyboard. By going into the size section, you can select the minimal option to hide the spacebar row, and you can also change the size of the keyboard and experience it then and there. Now, suppose you want to share a huge file with your friend, so all you need to do is just select the file and hit on the send button and open the SuperBeam app on your friend's phone and just scan the QR code, and it will automatically start to receive the file, and within seconds it will receive the whole file. So this is the SuperBeam app, and there are a lot of similar apps to it, but I like the SuperBeam app because it is fast and very easy to use. So these were the top 5 apps that I like, and the links for the same will be in the description. And do post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And do hit the like button if you liked my work, and do hit the subscribe button for more such videos. This is Saurabh Nahar here from All About Technologies, signing off.